Hi, welcome to Smith & Son's instructional video for our 3-shelf laundry basket organizer. Some quick tips before we begin are to ensure your screws are lined up with the pilot holes. Pilot holes are also referred to as pre-drilled assembly holes. We recommend partially inserting your screws and lining them up with the pilot holes before making your final attachment. If everything has been done correctly, you shouldn't be able to see any of your assembly numbers on your final product. Well, let's get started. First, you will want to lay out all the pieces and organize them into groups. You will also want to grab your Phillips screwdriver or a drill for assembly. First, you will take your pre-assembled side piece labeled 246 and the back brace labeled 12. Grab your back brace and match up the number 2 on the back brace to the number 2 on the pre-assembled side piece. The 2 on the back brace should cover the 2 on the pre-assembled side piece, and the pilot hole should match up. Attach the back brace with the provided screws. Next, take your other pre-assembled side piece labeled 135 and place it adjacent to the other side piece. Match up the 1 on the back brace to the 1 on the pre-assembled side piece and attach them with the provided screws. Next, take back brace 3-4 and match it to the 3-4 on the pre-assembled side pieces. Attach them with the provided screws. Continue the previous steps with back brace 5-6 and the pre-assembled side pieces. Next, take bottom piece 9-10 and match it to the bottom of the pre-assembled side pieces. Match up the pilot holes and attach with the provided screws. Next, take bottom piece 7-8 and match it to the other bottom section of the pre-assembled side pieces. Match up the pilot holes and attach them with the provided screws. Next, flip the organizer so the bottom pieces are on the floor. Next, take top piece 23-24 and match it to the top of the pre-assembled side piece. Repeat with top piece 21 and 22. Now you will want to take the top shelf piece 11-12 and match it to the top piece labeled 11-12. Match up the pilot holes and attach with the provided screws. Next, match top piece 13-14 and the top part labeled 13-14. Match up the pilot holes and attach with screws. Continue with the top pieces 15 through 20. Lastly, all you have to do is remove your assembly stickers. Thanks so much for supporting our small business, and don't forget to leave us a review.